Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the podcast. I'm so happy you are here today. If you are a beginner learning English, this episode is going to be super helpful for you. Today, we're talking about a very special topic: how to train your mind to think in English. Many learners say they can read English, they can listen to English, but they don't think in English. Today, I will guide you step by step. I will give you simple habits you can use every day. And by the end of this episode, you will know exactly how to change your thinking automatically. So sit back, relax, and let's begin. Why thinking in English is important. Thinking in English is one of the biggest keys to fluency. When you think in English, you speak faster. You feel more confident. You stop translating. You stop getting stuck. You understand conversations better. Most beginners translate every sentence inside their head, from their language to English. This is normal at the beginning. But translation makes speaking slow. Translation creates fear. Translation breaks your confidence. But when you train your mind to think directly in English, everything becomes easier. Speaking becomes natural, like breathing. You don't plan, you don't panic. You just speak. And that's what we want. Thinking in English is a skill. Here is something important. Thinking in English is not magic. It is not talent. It is a skill. Anyone can learn it. You can learn it. You just need simple practice every day. Just like driving a car or cooking food, your brain gets better with training. The more you use English, the more natural it becomes. Starting with small sentences. Now here is the first habit. Start with very small sentences. Not long sentences. Not big grammar. Simple daily thoughts like, I am hungry. I feel tired. This is my phone. It is raining outside. I want tea. Every time your mind uses your native language, pause and change the thought into English. Practice this many times a day. Your brain will slowly understand your new routine. Create an English environment. If you want to think in English, you must live around English. You don't need to go to another country. You can create a small English world at home. Here are some easy ways. Heavy check mark, set your phone to English. You will read English all day without effort. Heavy checkmark, watch short English clips. Even if they are simple. Heavy checkmark, follow English pages. Quote stories, jokes, anything helps. Heavy checkmark, listen to English songs. Your mind learns rhythm naturally. Heavy checkmark, watch English YouTube. Start with simple topics you enjoy. Your brain needs English input. The more English you hear and see, the more English you will think. Talk to yourself in English. This is one of the strongest techniques. Talk to yourself. Yes, really. You can do it silently or softly. Say things like, I am brushing my teeth. I am cooking rice. I am going to work. This food tastes good. You don't need a partner. You don't need perfect grammar. You are your own speaking partner, 24 hours a day. Object training. Look at objects around you. Your chair, your table, your shoes, your phone. And think, this is my bag. The bag is black. I use it every day. It is on the chair. This method is simple, but it is very powerful. Because your brain connects words to real objects, not translations. Think about your day in English. Before sleeping, take 1 minute. Just think about your day. In English. Say, I woke up early. I made breakfast. I talked to my friend. I studied English today. I learned something new. Thinking about your real life makes English stick in your mind. 5-second English response. Here is a fun challenge. When someone asks you a question in English, try to answer within 5 seconds. Don't wait. Don't translate. Don't try to speak perfectly. Just speak. This trains your mind to react quickly in English. Learn chunks, not words. Chunks are small groups of words used together. For example, I don't know. Let me think. That's okay. 1 moment, please. I agree with you. Chunks are like ready-made sentences. They help your brain speak without stress. Feelings first. Your emotions help you think faster. Tell yourself, I feel happy. I feel nervous. I feel relaxed. I feel excited today. When you're feeling speak English, your mind follows. Think about the future in English. Talk to yourself about tomorrow. For example, tomorrow I will wake up early. I will finish my work. I will call my friend. I will watch a movie. Future thinking helps your mind imagine in English. Stop translating. This step is very important. Stop translating English into your language. Translation is slow. Instead, understand English in English. Use English definitions. For example, happy feeling good. Sad equals feeling bad. Fast equals moving quickly. This builds real understanding. Use English subtitles. When watching videos, use English subtitles, not your language. Your eyes and ears work together. Your brain starts connecting words naturally. This helps you think in English without effort. One room, one language. Choose one room at home, maybe your kitchen or your bedroom. Tell yourself, in this room I only think in English. When you enter that room, your brain switches to English mode. This is an amazing habit. Mirror talk training. Stand in front of a mirror. Talk as if you're talking to someone else. Say, hello, how are you today? I'm good, thank you. This week was busy. I'm learning English every day. Mirror talk builds confidence, body language, natural expression, fluent thinking. Try it for 2 minutes every day. Think in English during silent moments. When you sit quietly. When you travel. When you wait in line. Start thinking in English. Silent thinking is one of the best ways to train your brain. Live English commentary. Describe what is happening around you. For example, the bus is coming. The sun is bright today. The man is walking slowly. The child is laughing. This is real-time English thinking. Very powerful. Don't fear mistakes. Don't worry about speaking wrongly. Mistakes are normal. Mistakes are part of learning. Mistakes make you grow. If you wait for perfection, you will never think in English. Just talk. Just think. Just try. You will improve. Daily thinking routine. Here is a simple daily plan. Heavy checkmark morning. Think about your tasks. Heavy checkmark afternoon. Use the object method. Heavy checkmark evening. Think about your day. Heavy checkmark night. Plan your tomorrow in English. Heavy checkmark anytime. Self-talk live commentary mirror talk. Follow this for 30 days. Your thoughts will become English thoughts. Final motivation. You can think in English. Your brain is ready. You just need small daily training. Every time you practice, you become better. Every time you think in English, you become stronger. Every small habit brings you closer to fluency. Believe in yourself. Keep practicing. You are improving every day. Thank you for listening to this episode. Stay motivated, stay confident, and keep thinking in English.